Hello everyone, this is Harshad and I am here to explain my internship project of simple banking system. Here is the code. The system before you is simple online banking system with four primary buttons as seen on the top right corner of home screen. The four buttons are home, user, transaction and other detail button, with each button having different function. The home screen is default screen setting you see when the Bank of India system is opened. The second button, user, provide a detailed list of customer having accounts in bank in tabular format. An important feature of search bar has also inserted so that the system is more user friendly and easy to use. This search bar shows and filter out one or few results we are searching for based on similarities in entry, a little bit like predictive text in our social media chatting keyboard. Uh, and if the entry is not present in our customer data, it shows user not found, like there is also an option to view details and the profile of an user present in banking system, with takes us to new page, shows all relative details in user profile like account number, account balance, personal details, etc. Like we can also find two buttons named money transfer and history at the bottom of the view detail page of our desired user, which allow us to make transaction to any user present in system and view his or transaction history respectively, like and here we can see that here is all details about the history of transactions, mm, date, time, name and amount. Third button is all transactions button, which as the name suggests shows all transaction made between user using this online banking system. Fourth and final button is other details. Finally, there is a box containing profile detail and profile handles of our bank on different social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or more profiles. And it is my GitHub repository where I posted the whole code and the hosted link of this simple banking system. And here is the database where the whole data is saved. Here you can see the collected data, the whole transaction data is saved. That's all. Thank you.